This is how you get flawless skin without your foundation looking like foundation. So you need to stop slathering it on, and instead what we're going to do is make a cocktail for your face, Whey Bandy style. So first, your foundation, one pump, that's it. Now, a splash of toner. Yes, toner. It thins the foundation out and just makes it look like skin. Next, a dot of cream or liquid blusher, a rosy one. This gives life to the face. That kind of, I've been for a lovely walk, you know, just beautiful. A drop of liquid bronzer. This gives the skin life. And a single drop of face oil, just one. This will give you that healthy, dewy glow, not greasy chip pan. And finally, a tiny dot of liquid highlighter for that kind of lit from within look that everyone bangs on about. Now, all you want to do is mix it all together, press it into the skin, fingers, brush, a sponge, I don't care. You are creating a masterpiece here, something that you can be proud of, and something that looks like you on your very best day. Now, all you need now is a touch of powder de set. That's it, nothing more is needed. And what you're left with isn't a mask. It's your skin, but on a really, really good day. It's believable, it's rosy, it's flawless. It's you. And it took all of 30 seconds. You're welcome. See you next time. Bye-bye. Please share this video. You know that wink at the end? Cute, right? No, I have conjunctivitis.